The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, 40mm Bluetooth model in cream, is Samsung's 2024 flagship wearable that blends smart technology, style, and health-first innovation. With a slim, elegant 40mm case, this watch is designed for users who want a lightweight, compact smartwatch that doesn't compromise on features. From fitness tracking to mental wellness insights, the Galaxy Watch 7 serves as a 24/7 digital health companion. One of its standout additions is the Energy Score, an AI-powered metric that analyzes your sleep, activity levels, heart rate variability, and stress to provide a daily snapshot of your physical readiness. It helps you plan your day smarter, letting you know whether to push harder in the gym or take it easy. You also get wellness tips, a new AI-based coaching system that learns from your patterns and gives real-time recommendations on improving sleep, activity, mindfulness, and even hydration. Whether you're an athlete or a casual user, this daily feedback adapts to you over time. Heart rate tracking is more precise than ever with Samsung's upgraded bioactive sensor. It continuously monitors your heart rate and alerts you of any irregularities or abnormal spikes, making it ideal for users keeping tabs on heart health or managing conditions like arrhythmia. Additionally, the sleep monitor tracks your REM, light, and deep sleep cycles, and even snoring patterns using your phone's microphone. It then scores your sleep and gives actionable advice to improve quality and consistency. On the fitness side, the Galaxy Watch 7 supports automatic workout detection for over 90 activities including walking, running, swimming, rowing, and even dynamic workouts like HIIT. The onboard GPS is accurate and quick to lock, and it syncs seamlessly with Samsung Health for full workout summaries. There's even body composition analysis using bioelectrical impedance, allowing you to track metrics like body fat percentage, skeletal muscle mass, and water retention, great for those working toward precise health goals. This 2024 US model is powered by Samsung's latest Exynos W1000 chip, offering faster app load times, improved battery efficiency, and smoother multitasking. Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless pairing with Android phones, especially Galaxy devices, allowing notifications, calls, and music control right from your wrist. Though iOS compatibility is limited, Android users will enjoy tight integration with Samsung Health, SmartThings, Google Maps, and more. With Wear OS 5 at its core, the Watch 7 brings access to the Google Play Store, letting you download apps like Spotify, YouTube Music, Strava, Calm, and even WhatsApp directly onto the watch. Battery life on the 40mm model lasts up to 40 hours with typical use, plenty for a day and a half. And fast wireless charging tops you up to 45% in just 30 minutes. The watch features a vibrant Super AMOLED display with excellent sunlight visibility and an always-on option.